Welcome to Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn how to create a maintenance order, and then from that maintenance order we will create a purchase requisition using MRP. So we want to perform maintenance of a specific material for which we will create maintenance order first, and as that material will not be available in our stock, so we will create a purchase requisition for that material, so that when that material is procured through purchase order, we will use that material in our maintenance. So for this process, we will start by looking for the relevant maintenance order of that material. Now, the one thing is very important. In MRP, we have defined maintenance orders for specific period of time. Like for monthly maintenance, we have automatic notification is created, and that can be converted to a maintenance order. Similarly, for 6 months maintenance for yearly maintenance, an automatic notification is created, and we can use the notification of that particular machine on which that material or that particular spare part is installed, and we can convert it into maintenance order. To have a look at the list of maintenance orders or notification that are being created automatically for a specific period of time, we will use IW29, as we have already discussed in our previous lesson. In IW29, I have to enter the relevant notification type, and in this case, we will have M2 notification type that is being used for the automatic planned maintenance. And I will enter this functional location for that specific spare part. I will press execute, and here you can see for that specific function location a list of notifications and orders, their date of notification has appeared. So my relevant maintenance uh, equipment functional location is that KHS blow mold machine, and I will take the latest maintenance order that has been created. For example, for this one, I select this row, this notification, and that relevant maintenance order that is already created for that notification. You know, I will press edit, to select the order to get that order edited. I will open that maintenance order. It has already some components in it, and my desired component has this specific material code, that is yes, KHS carrier made plier. I will enter its quantity. I need 20. It is a stock item. I will enter L, and I will enter here 30 just for the line item number. So I have entered this specific material code in my maintenance order, so that I can create its purchase requisition through planned order, and then I will convert it into purchase requisition. So I will release it. It's already released. You can see REL here, and I will just uh, save that maintenance order. You can see it's saved now. Okay, so I will go back, and I will run MD02 to convert that maintenance order into plan order. Okay, I will enter the material here, that is 600 0664773, and I will enter the plant. The here these keys are used: Anytech, the create requisition, that is 3311. Okay, I will just enter, press 1. It's asking me to check input parameters. I have checked, these are all okay. I will enter 1 again. So it has shown me some important things, specifically that database statistics. It is saying that plan order created 1 and plan order changed 1. So this is showing me that one new plan order is created against this maintenance order, and one plan order has already been changed. So uh, another thing important is I will have to check what is the status of the requirement for this specific material code. I will enter MD04 here. I will write that material code, it's already there. I will press enter. So you will see here a list of uh, items that are showing the requirements, and against those requirements there are some plan orders that are created for those requirements. So the my requirement is this one 504687920, and against that requirement this plan order is already created. But there is an issue. This is PD type material. PD type material means that the remaining quantity should be 0. Like I need 20, I will order 20 items, I will issue these 20 items, and I will make the store stock 0 for this, because this specific material is should not be kept in our inventory for long time. So this is PD type, but here it is showing the remaining quantity at the end is 20. That means that there are some additional plan orders for this specific material code. So this is the plan order that has been created before my plan order. I will open it. I will delete that plan order to that to reduce the requirement of that. I will refresh it, and now it's showing that remaining quantity is 0. That is okay for me. Now I will go back here and I will execute MD15 to convert my plan order into purchase requisition. And here you can see I have entered 3003 in material. I have entered this material code. I will just press enter once and now it's showing me that one plan order is available of 20 quantity that can be converted to the purchase requisition. I will select that plan order. I will go to convert online. I will check these parameters, the delivery date and the other important things. I will enter the purchase organization here, that is by default 3001 in my case, and I will check everything and I will just press save here, and it will show me that this purchase requisition has been created against this plan order. So this is a very easy way. I can just open I can just copy this purchase requisition and I can check it by using ME52N command. I can just show you here that I will write ME53N here, and it will show me my recently created purchase requisition. There's some other. I will enter here this purchase requisition, and you will see here, yes, this is the required purchase requisition that I just created for this item, this material code, that is the short text, that is quantity, delivery date, plant requisitioner, etc. So here I can just enter in header. I should enter the header text for the approver, so that he can just check the header text for that purchase requisition and he can approve that purchase requisition. Currently I can check the release strategy to check where it is. Right, currently it is unapproved and it is at its first step. So this is the simple way to create a purchase requisition using MRP and through a maintenance order. So to summarize it again, what I have done is, I wanted to perform maintenance or replacement of a specific spare part. I checked its country stock. It was my MB52 stock. It was 0. I entered this material code in a maintenance order. I converted that maintenance order into plan order. I checked in MD04 whether everything is okay. Then I converted that plan order into purchase requisition, and here it is, the purchase requisition in front of you. So it is a complete process to create a purchase requisition from scratch using MRP parameters and using the maintenance order. For any questions, you can write in comment. Thank you. Bye bye.